Hello and welcome to Lake Camanche and this 360 video tour. This tour is like Google Street View. Grab the screen to look left, right, up, or down. At any moment in time, hit pause to take a closer look. Now let's go explore. The South Shore has 6 one-bedroom and 1 ADA 2-bedroom units that sit upon a grassy hillside with a western exposure overlooking the lake and campgrounds, nestled under mature trees with spectacular sunset views. These units are simple but fully furnished rooms including kitchens and cooking utensils. Each unit features a large deck and outside furniture. The cottages are located on the north side of the park beyond the tennis and basketball courts. It's a short drive to the marina or store. Both of our shores also feature 2-bedroom ADA units. To learn more, go to LakeCamancheResort.com or call 866-763-5121. We look forward to seeing you here at Lake Camanche Resort.